Not only is YouTube a platform for entertainment, but it is also a gold mine. And if you aren't taking advantage of this gold mine, what are you doing? Come on, let's go guys, It's time to start our YouTube channels. I'm kidding, you don't have to start a YouTube channel if you don't want to. But a lot of people, when they think about a YouTube channel, you might be thinking, Kayla, I don't want to sit down in front of a camera just like you're doing right now. I just don't want to do it. Well, the great thing about YouTube is it doesn't require you to necessarily do that to make money. And this is what I call a faceless channel, where we don't have to show our face at all and we just rely on visuals. And when it comes to a YouTube channel, the one key factor that really determines how much money you make with it is going to be the niche of your channel. And when you pick a niche, certain niches have a higher RPM than other niches. So you're gonna wanna make sure you pick a niche with a higher RPM. And this just essentially means how much money you're making per 1,000 views with your videos. So within this video, we're not only gonna dive into some high RPM niches, but I'm gonna be more so focused on niches that can be faceless as well. And faceless content is especially important to me because it can become completely automated over time, meaning eventually all you'll have to do is click a button to post your content. And let's start out by talking about what exactly is a niche. A niche is just going to be the specific topic or category that your channel revolves around, such as beauty or fashion or making money online or finance. And choosing the correct niche is essential because this is where you're getting a sense of who your audience is, and then you're also attracting different advertisers to your channel, and then you can also do affiliate marketing with your channel. So you want to make sure that you pick the right niche that has a lot of products within it and has a big audience. And then, like I said earlier, the RPM is the revenue you are earning per 1,000 views with your channel. And it truly just shows how profitable your content is depending on what niche you have gone with. Now, why should somebody consider creating a faceless channel rather than sitting down in front of a camera like I'm doing right now? Now, sitting down in front of a camera can be great. You can gain sort of a trust with your audience. I'm showing my face, I'm being vulnerable, I'm here. But with faceless content, the viewers are more so focused on the visuals and the storytelling of the videos rather than the person telling this story. But creating a faceless channel can also broaden your appeal a little bit by bringing in viewers that won't be relating to just one specific individual. These people are coming to your channel not because they're interested in who's talking about the content, but just focusing on the content itself. And while we explore the world of YouTube and high RPM niches, I want to make sure to set your expectations right. The niches that I'm going to talk about today aren't going to automatically gain you thousands and thousands of dollars. YouTube takes some work and some dedication and time. But by learning about these more profitable niches, you will be able to narrow down maybe what you want your channel to be about and kind of understand how YouTube works a little bit more. So let's just jump into 5 very profitable niches for your YouTube channel. And not only for a YouTube channel, but for a faceless YouTube channel as well. And the first niche that we're going to talk about is going to be the educational and tutorial niche. And educational tutorials have been on YouTube for so long, and they've always gotten a lot of views, so it's a very evergreen niche, meaning it's not really going to go out of style anytime soon because people are constantly coming to YouTube to learn things. You could learn how to use a software on your computer. You could learn how to cook pasta. In my case, I came to YouTube and I learned how to cook vodka pasta by Gigi Hadid. If anybody remembers that trend, that was so fun, and I still make that pasta and it's really yummy. Or you could learn math lessons or how to speak another language. But there are so many different sub-niches within the educational niche as well on YouTube. And the demand for this educational content just continues to grow as we have more and more people on this earth. And I myself have definitely come to YouTube and watched these educational channels. And oftentimes I have found these channels more helpful than if I'd just gone to my school's tutor. I found myself learning more with YouTube because I could do it on my own time and in my own pace. Whether it be history, physics, or statistics, literally anything, YouTube has always had my back on this. And with this being said, I'm just one person, but I'm sure there are so many other people out there that have also utilized these educational videos within YouTube. Successful tutorial channels have really mastered a good balance of educational content while also making it entertaining content. Channels like Khan Academy and Crash Course are 2 very popular channels that I can think about, and channels that I've also personally watched as well. And in fact, Crash Course was a channel where my teachers would actually show these videos within our class. So not only do students view these videos, but educators within these subjects view these videos as well and show them to their classrooms. And content within this niche can be pretty easy to produce, especially with the use of AI. AI is our best friend over here. In case you didn't know, now you know. But not only can AI be a tool to help you write different scripts, but it can also help you learn, because you might be thinking, Kayla, I'm trying to start a educational channel and I want to make videos about history, but I just don't know a lot about history. AI's got your back there. In fact, when I was even in school and I was taking a history class, sometimes I found myself a little bit lost just reading the textbook, and I'm like, I'm not understanding anything we're talking about right now. I just went on over to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT truly helped me expand my knowledge there and help me understand furthermore what we're talking about in the specific lesson. And this is especially helpful if your class is primarily online, because you can't just raise your hand and ask the teacher. You can head over to ChatGPT and they can answer questions for you. Now, the second popular niche that I'm going to talk about is going to be a technology channel, or more specifically, a technology reviewing channel. In the recent years, the demand for technology-related content within YouTube has truly skyrocketed. It's just going up and up. This wasn't even up. This is just flatline, going up and up, not up and up, up. I mean, think about how many new gadgets and iPhones and laptops have come out within the past 5 years. It's just uncountable. With the advancement of technology, customers are constantly seeking advice on what products they should buy. So they come to YouTube to see what these products are like. Maybe somebody's torn between this phone and then this phone and they don't know which one to buy. So they go to YouTube and they watch some videos on these phones. From different AI technology to different VR technology, the world of technology is just constantly growing. And I mean, the amount of Apple Vision Pro videos that I saw when it had just come out, and these videos had like millions of views, was insane. Channels like Marcus Brownlee have really leveraged these trends to get an immense following. And by staying ahead of the curve and staying up to date with their knowledge on technology, channels like Marcus's are able to stay relevant. And although Marcus shows his face in his content, faceless content within this niche is totally possible as well. Don't worry. For example, Tech Gumbo is a channel within the technology niche, hence their channel name. But this channel has currently 1.5 million subscribers without showing anybody's face at all. And creators within the technology niche have so many different ways that they can monetize their content. I mean, there's ad revenue, and then there's affiliate marketing, and then there's just being monetized by YouTube itself. Another thing you could do is create a blog that's related to technology and then link it on your YouTube and just blah, blah, blah. The possibilities are endless. And tech-focused channels often attract high-paying advertisers. And this is due to their engaged audience that also has an interest for technology. And with every YouTube niche, developing a solid plan of what you're going to do is definitely helpful. And within the technology world, this planning could also include staying up to date on current trends. Promotion and search engine optimization play a crucial role when it comes to growing a channel, and specifically a technology channel as well. Utilizing different keywords and tags and titles for your videos and eye-catching thumbnails are very important, because it's what gets people to click on our videos. And a great tool to optimize your videos would be a tool that I know, and it is called TubeMagic. TubeMagic actually has a tool where you can upload private or unlisted videos to this software, and then TubeMagic will AI generate a optimized title for you, optimized tags and description. So this is very important, because optimizing your content reaches it out to a broader audience. Now we're going to jump into our third niche, which is going to be the personal finance niche. This type of content educates and empowers different viewers on how to manage their money and maybe save their money or make money. And financial literacy content is very high in demand because individuals are always seeking to learn more about this. I don't know about any of you guys, but in school, I wish they had taught me a little bit more in depth how to budget your money, or how to do your taxes, or how to do anything that's really important. Because in my opinion, that's just very important stuff, because everybody has to deal with money and an income and everything like that. So why does school not teach you about that? I don't know. So with that being said, a lot of people will go on over to YouTube, including myself, to learn about things within the finance world. And this is where you could offer some advice and some real life concepts to help your viewers further understand financial literacy and just overall making financial concepts very accessible to everybody. Within this content, you could offer some tips on budgeting or investing or saving money or making money. Just anything that helps your viewers understand finance better. Just overall teaching your viewers about anything that's finance related and helping them improve their knowledge here. And by breaking down these various concepts, you can really improve people's lives. And to me, that sounds pretty cool. You know, I love finding different ways to be making money online, and my goal here is to just be a resource to help you guys find different ways to make money online. And just like the other niches we talked about, monetizing a personal finance niche can be achievable through affiliate marketing and different sponsorships and being monetized by YouTube. And again, you could start a blog, which wouldn't be a bad idea because then you can monetize your blog as well. And then you can get multiple sources of income, which who wouldn't like that? But I cannot stress enough how important linking different affiliate products within your content is. And in fact, the day that you start your YouTube channel, I would suggest going and looking for different affiliate links that relate to the niche of your channel and then putting those links on your videos. Put it on the first video you post because then you have the potential to be making money when you first start YouTube, because it can take a little bit of time to get monetized by YouTube. So I want to make sure that you guys are staying on top of your game and making money with YouTube right off the bat. Moving on to our next niche, which is going to be travel. And who doesn't love traveling? But you might be thinking, how would I create travel content if I don't have the budget maybe to be going out and traveling? Well, the truth is a lot of these travel channels can heavily rely on stock photos and videos. You don't necessarily have to fly all the way to Greece and videotape the beautiful landscaping. Unless you already live there, then maybe it would be a good idea to get out and film it yourself. I don't know. But when you're relying on these stock photos and videos, the entertainment value of your voiceover and your descriptions of these places might be pretty important. When you're providing this commentary, you could talk about the history of this place or talk about different travel tips, where it is safe to visit in Greece and where places you should avoid. I don't know why I'm just bringing up Greece. Maybe I want to go to Greece. Somebody give me travel tips on Greece, please. Within your videos, you can use different text and graphics to really highlight key points, such as different travel tips you're giving out or the place that you're showing on the screen. People probably want a name of what this street is called. And then using things like background music and sound effects can also enhance a viewer's experience coming to your channel. Visual storytelling is very much so key. You want to make sure that the visuals that they're seeing is very, very entertaining. Travel content is also a great niche to stick with because the diverse viewers. So you could have somebody that's 80 years old watching this, or you could have somebody that's 10 years old watching this. Really, everybody can enjoy travel content and will want to enjoy it. And when I'm looking for great niches to stick with on YouTube, something that's very important, as we know, is the monetization potential. And the travel niche very much so holds that monetization potential. Who knows, maybe you're starting out to make this content faceless, you're not videotaping this, but then all of a sudden you have these people reaching out to you, offering to sponsor trips, to review different places. And then again, affiliate marketing, always a good idea. And travel content is also going to be a niche that is very much so evergreen, meaning it's going to live on and on forever. Different destination guides and travel tips will continue to stay relevant over time. And this just ensures that people are always going to be interested in the content that you're creating. Okay, enough about my weird little tangent about the travel niche. Let's move on to the next niche, and that is going to be fitness and health. Fitness and health are universal interests. Just like travel, everybody's interested in it. People of all demographics are constantly interested in improving their well-being. Topics such as exercise routines, wellness tips, healthy eating tips are always relevant, and people are always looking for new ways that they can eat a perfect diet. And usually you would think if somebody is making an exercise routine, then the YouTuber or the creator of the content is going to need to get in front of a camera and demonstrate how to do this push-up or how to do this ab exercise. But a lot of these popular fitness and health videos do not require the creator to show their face at all. And with more and more people turning to a platform such as YouTube to rely on health and fitness advice, I would say this is not a bad niche at all to get into. In fact, one of the best ones. Take, for example, a channel that is called Body Hub. Their content is completely faceless and they show a lot of different exercise and eating habit videos and tips and tricks. And a channel like this provides an engaging space for people to feel encouraged within their health and fitness journeys. Now let's talk about some ways that you could actually create this content. You could use different animations to help you explain various health topics. You could create exercise videos and exercise tutorials using different stock photos and videos of other people doing these exercises. And then all you need to do is put a voiceover over that. You could share nutrition plans or demonstrate different fitness apps, screen recording your devices. High engagement and consistent viewership can lead to some very good monetization strategies within this niche. And with a health niche, you are in the potential for a higher RPM, which we love. We love making more money per 1,000 views. Who wouldn't? Also, something that I've noticed is brands within the fitness industry are more likely to partner with different fitness content creators. And this could include sportswear brands or supplement companies or different gym memberships. There's so many different possibilities on getting sponsored within the fitness niche. And like I keep saying, the reoccurring topic that I keep bringing up, which is going to be affiliate links. But you could promote different supplements and different fitness equipment and gym wear. Later on down the line, you could even create your own fitness products to sell, whether it be a digital fitness course or branded fitness and health gear to promote your channel. The fitness and health community is highly interactive, meaning viewers are likely to engage with this content and leave different questions and comments. And personally, when I myself want access to a quick workout, I head on over to YouTube, and one of my go-to YouTubers for fitness would be Lily Sabry. She has very quick and easy workout routines, and one of my favorite parts about her channel is just the community and how encouraging she is as a content creator. In fact, she shares real results from her viewers, and this just truly shows the potential for a community and building a fan base within the health niche. And then just like the other niches that I was talking about, search engine optimization is very important. You want to make sure to use relevant keywords in the titles and the descriptions and the tags of your videos that you're putting out. And I always like to say consistency is key. You want to regularly upload your videos. You don't want to just disappear for a year and still expect to have a loyal fan base, even though Vsauce, I don't know how he does it. He posts like one video a year and he still gets millions of views. I don't know. I wouldn't suggest doing that at all. But you could consider scheduling your content around fun little themes, such as Workout Wednesdays. But health and fitness videos have the potential to attract a loyal audience, which in my opinion is very important. Now, I only talked about 5 niches within this video. However, if you want some more ideas on how to create content within these specific niches or want overall just more ideas on different niches, make sure to click on this video right here. Trust me, there is a ton of value in it if you're considering starting a YouTube channel. So make sure to click it. Thank you and bye.